Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Tifton long distance movers near me. Regardless of whether the origin and destination are in the same state, it is known as a long distance move when the beginning and objective are in excess of 50 miles apart. Interstate moves are those that happen inside the same state, making an interstate move between two states requiring crossing state lines. At 3 movers, we can move your things locally inside the state or over state lines. We are good in terms with the government and local organizations that direct the relocation procedure. Since we care about our clients and their possessions, we have protection plans set up. Our drivers and movers are trustworthy, dedicated, and prepared to move your things without losing them. You will not have to fret over being ripped off because every one of our services are sensibly valued. Moving locally is a lot less expensive than moving long distances. Our costs are sensible, ranging between $30 and $40 hourly. Our movers are completely authorized and committed to giving you the best incentive for your cash. We've worked in busy urban communities and regions previously, so getting your things to you will not be hard. Our team of local movers is the most persevering, and we are free 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help you with your moving plans. If you look at our appraisals, you'll notice that every client is happy with our work. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Tifton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.